Spiritual care is about addressing people's deepest needs in terms of how their sense of meaning, purpose, value is challenged by their illness. Nurses tell us that the spiritual part of care is the one that they feel less prepared for and want more education in. So the impact of my research has been to develop a set of competencies that nurse educators can use to determine and assess whether the students are competent in spiritual care. The impact of this research is not only here at USW, but it's going to impact on all the nursing and midwifery curricula across Wales, and it's also impacting on teaching across 19 countries in Europe. We are better preparing our nurses to be able to meet the deeper needs of the patients at really difficult times of their lives, and that the patients actually receive better care when they're at those difficult moments.